Hey guys, Shell here. Welcome back to my channel. I busted my laptop. Oh man. Here's what I did. You know, I've been working on rotating camera rig for the GoPro, and I've got this neodymium. Why can't I say that word? Neodymium. I have a neodymium magnet, which I was using to add different weights to. And this is actually an upgraded version from the last video. It's a bigger motor. And that magnet wasn't strong enough, and I had a socket go flying. There's not going to be any fancy video editing in the next few videos while I figure out what I'm going to do. I almost wish I hadn't canceled my Patreon. Well, this thing was a piece of crap anyway. It was an i5 processor, 8 gigs of RAM, and it just barely could squeeze by editing videos. It made it such a chore, it was kind of unpleasant to produce the videos. It's always fun filming them and blowing them up, but once I got in front of this computer to do the work, it was a hassle. So I'm definitely going to get an i7 processor with 16 gigs of RAM and the high-end video card. I'm not going to, man, video editing computers are expensive. I'm going to get a low-end video editing system, but I gotta have an i7, and I gotta have 16 gigs RAM, and I've gotta have a really decent video card in order to get over this hump in my video editing process. So I don't know, Kickstarter, GoFundMe, I don't know. I can't afford it right now without some help, but I'm still going to make videos. They're just not going to be a lot of fancy editing. I'm probably just going to have maybe a single camera view. None of that, you know. I was doing some pretty cool stuff, but it's all gone. Let's get on with today's video. Remember, I make these videos to entertain and educate. They're not for you to emulate, so don't ever try anything like I'm getting ready to try. All right? Okay. Wacky string. Silly string. This says it's a party in a can. We're going to find out. You've seen me do this before. Bloop to bloopity bloop. Chaboom, chibang. Alright, see, I've cut a couple notches right here, like I did on the soda can and like I did on the Menudo can. And that's going to allow me to put the fuse right in there. I've mixed up 10 grams of flash powder. I've got a little over 10 grams of flash powder. We're just going to pour as much of that in there as we can. And I might even, these cans are very thin and might be floppy, so I might put a layer of tape around that to hold these two cans together. I know, it's still a mess. I'm working on it. I'm gonna get me a couple pieces of tape ready to go here. A few extra in case I screw it up. Alright. And holy crap. That's okay. Turn that into a convex focusing mirror out here in the sun and whoosh, pour it through the focus and blow it up in my face. It's not warm, but I am going to do it in the shade. Almost 10 grams. That's probably the 0.3 grams. I think we're at 9.5. Maybe that'll pooch down a little bit. Let me see. I don't want it spilling over the edge anywhere. You know what? Any idiot can put a firecracker into a thing, but I'm the type of idiot that makes a firecracker out of that thing. No friction, no static. There, that worked good. It held it nicely in place. Don't teeter-totter on me. I need a flatter log. It's a party in the can. Man, that thing is weebly wobbly. I got the heavy one on top on purpose. There. You stay. Stay. Alright. GoPro set up at 240 frames per second. I'm going to light, and then I'm going to run over here. Remember guys, I make these videos to entertain and to educate. They're not for you to emulate, so don't ever try anything like this at home, okay? Okay. Make sure my GoPro didn't die. Oh, you would not want to get hit with that. That is propelled into that stump. That one's stuck in, but only loosely. That one completely stuck in there. Silly string. Gooey. That stuff's under pressure anyway. Crushimalized. I'm gonna have to bring the magnet out here because that's a steel can. That was insane. That was way more insane than I thought it would. Oh, look at the rockets. I had 3 rockets land almost in the same spot. How about that? That's not related. Where's the rest of the freaking can? Sent that one to outer space, man. I can't even find it. Oh, here it is. Yeah, that was cool. Oh, I bet that one rocketed. The bottom can was completely annihilated, but this one must have rocketed up. I can't wait to see the slow-mo. Normally, if I was editing a lot, I would pause, go grab the slow-mo on the computer, view it, you know, kind of narrate that, and then come back out here and be like, blah, 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 yada, 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 yada. but I haven't seen this slow-mo yet. And you probably have, because I'll insert it in before that. So lucky you, you get to see it before I do. All right, guys, I hope you loved that video as much as I did making it. I won't love editing it. Look at that. Oh. But if you want to see more crazy stuff like this, then subscribe down below and hit the bell. You know all that. You know what I need to do? I need to blow up a bell. Blow up firecracker bell. I'll get right on that one. Thanks. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Man, that thing is really stuck in there.